going to check out the Love Your Box subscription for this month. Well, I say this month, but they've actually moved from a monthly basis to a quarterly basis. So they're doing a seasonal box now. So this is the winter box. The theme is Alice in Wonderland. As you can see, they're using their old boxes, which is a great idea. They used to be called Box Pleasures, but now it's called Love Your Box. Little thank you card for the winter Alice in Wonderland box. And the next box to ship will be spring and under the sea theme with a splash of mermaid. Oh, can't wait for that. Anyway, let's jump in. First thing we've got here is a Kiss New York Honey Nourishing Cotton Facial Sheet Mask. I love a good sheet mask, but I've never used a honey one, so that'll be quite interesting. Next up we have your Alice in Wonderland cookie. If you remember from the movie, she has the cookie that says "Eat me" on it. Yum, love a cookie. Next up we have the Mad Hatter's Horny Goat's Tea. Wow. The last thing you want is the Mad Hatter getting horny. But nonetheless, here it is. It's a loose leaf tea, so you'd need a strainer. Love Your Box always tend to do a little packet of free samples in there. So let's have a look what the little free samples bag has this time around. So we've got some After Dark Intimate Wipes, antibacterial wipe, two 4-season, it's one condom and a packet of lube from Naked Duo. And we have another sachet of the After Dark Intimate Wipes. So back onto the main box. We have a couple of sachets here. One is the Green Energizing Tea Mask, and the other is the Relax Soothing Aloe Mask. Next up we have a little tin here. It says on the back, lemongrass and coconut, exposed naturals. Apply a pea-sized amount to each underarm. So this is obviously a natural deodorant, which are all the rage these days. Instead of using all those bad ones with all the aluminium and other stuff they have in them, these are all natural. It smells like a lemon. I'm always keen to try these out. If they work, then sweet. If they don't, well, you know what. Okay, here we have a little mini rabbit vibe by the look of it. Has 10 settings. It's a little charm and discreetly delightful. "100% waterproof, metallic ABS body. Batteries included and 10 different settings." Alright, next we have Fig Tree & Co. Granulated sugar, Himalayan salt, coconut oil, coffee grounds and peppermint oil. This is a body scrub. So there seems to be a fairly good emphasis on beauty this month. Okay, what have we got here then? We have rose quartz. This is the stone of love and peace, and it's the most important stone for the heart chakra. It's also calming and restoring. So just another little gemstone to add to your collection. If you get as many subscription boxes as I do, you've probably got quite the collection going on. Oh, this looks cute. We have a pink grapefruit highly scented candle. Oh, I'm not quite sure how you get the lid off. Oh, here you go, pop it. Oh, that is highly scented and it smells amazing. Pink grapefruit is the flavour. Yeah, God, that smells good. Alright, and the very last item is our S17 Gravity Exercise. 6 bowls, 6 different kind of weights in 6 different ways. So I'm not sure if you guys have heard of this, and it's a little bit of an odd subject, so I'm not sure how to approach it on the video here, but these are called Kegel bowls. Each bowl has a different weight from light to heavy. Waggle and effectively shaking will stimulate your vaginal pelvic floor muscles for a stronger and tighter. Perfect for beginners, advanced users. Premium body safe silicone. So as you can see from the image here, you insert one of these during the day, and I think the idea is you leave it in there most of the day and it actually increases your pelvic muscles. I must say they are amazing colours. But yeah, a little bit of an odd subject, but for those who are interested in that kind of thing, I'm sure it's a great idea. Alright guys, well that was the Winter Alice in Wonderland box. I think there's some really great items in there and great value for money. I do wish there was a couple more Alice in Wonderland themed things. The only thing I can really think that's Alice in Wonderland theme is the rabbit and the Eat Me cookie. But I will eat the cookie as instructed. Not a worry. Anyway guys, thanks for watching.